Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. It's a little bit windy. I'll try to block the wind with my hand. I hope that works. I feel it curling around my hand. So, people have been asking about the hills out here. And they didn't come back. Whatever it was, that's cat prints. Whatever it was did not come back. I had a camera out here and I kept watch over it that first night and nothing came out at all, and it rained that night, so as you see, the sand was not disturbed again afterwards. So as many of you did say, whatever it was dug a temporary hole. It's in there a long way though, so I still have no idea. That's a 7-8 inch round hole, so that's a really large hole, but whatever it is didn't come back. But it goes in there deep, and that's a lot of sand. That's a whole lot of sand. And I don't know, I can't tell you what it was, but it's gone. Whatever it was is gone. But those footprints have been all over the property for months now. Wherever I have sand, you'll find those footprints in the sand. Anyway, that's the updates. No idea what it was.